Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. We just got to Marrakech. We're here with Dior Beauty for the Dior Cruise show, which is tomorrow night. This is the first time for me to go to a Dior Cruise show, so I'm really happy to be here. I feel very excited that they invited me. I don't know if I mentioned actually, but I am a Dior Beauty ambassador this year. Woo! So yeah, I'm really excited to be here as one of their ambassadors for the beauty side of things. So we've made it to this beautiful hotel called the Palais Aziza. We've just spent about 4 hours lying on sunbeds in the lovely warm heat, and then it just started chucking it down. So we've come to our room and checked in. So I'm going to quickly show you around the room. This is a wall full of plates.
Lovely.
This is a suede sofa. This is the 4-poster king-size bed. This is the fantastic floor-tiled floor.
Again, we are getting some pure inspiration for our house.
Yeah, we are. And fantastic lantern chandelier, which is fantabulous. Come on in here. Beautiful doors for the fantastic closet space. Into the bathroom. We've got a toilet, we got a shower, and we got a huge bathtub. Looks out onto our little area outside.
You've got a friend outside as well, haven't you?
Have I? Oh, the turtle. The tortoise, yes. Terence the tortoise outside, just living his best life, just wandering around the gardens, isn't he? Also, really like showers that have things like this in them.
Toilets.
Isn't a toilet? I think when we get our ensuite done and we put a shower in like this, we might put a seat. Again, lots of nice tiles, sink. Oh, and there is an outside of it as well.
It's the long 30 seconds, McGrath.
Sorry.
It smells so good in it. It smells like incense.
Bird poop. And this is the garden area. There are usually big pillows on here, but they were taken in because of the rain. And that's the tour.
So right now,
What's on the agenda now? Ooh, hello. On the agenda right now is I'm going to put on some makeup. I'm going to paint this face. And then we're going to go and take some pictures, most likely. Lucky boy. Taking a look. What is this? Ooh, these just literally arrived.
literally just now.
Oh, it's got my name on it. Oh. So we've got a little Dior Backstage robe that says Victoria on it. So
I wonder if I got one.
You can't steal it. No, you don't have one. It is mine. Dior Common Ground. This must be maybe the theme of the... Oh my god, what is in here? Cruise 2020.
Oh,
god,
wow.
What is this bag? Wow.
That's pretty impressive.
Oh, I love this. Do you know, I've been looking for a bag of this size to just take out my laptop now when I go for like meetings and stuff. It's a tiny bag that's beautiful, and this is it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
Whoa.
gosh.
Stand up.
This is unbelievable.
I think it's the print of the bag, isn't it?
It is. This must be like the new print for the cruise collection. Oh my gosh.
Wow. That's incredible.
We need to put this on a wall when we get our new house. What an actual gift, that's unbelievable. Thank you, Dior. I can't believe this. There's more in the bag yet. There's more in the bag. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. It's like Christmas Day for you.
This is literally Christmas Day. I can't believe it. And this throw, this is unbelievable. This can go next to my other throw. God, I feel so lucky right now. I feel a bit emotional. Wow. Do you know, I've been looking at these. It's like they knew.
Oh, they're cool. They're going to be so fun to shoot. They're super reflective.
Are they amazing? Honestly, I've been looking at these in the store. I'm absolutely blown away. I had no idea that they were going to give us gifts like this. Can't believe it. Ah! Ooh, Ballade Sauvage. That sounds like it's going to be quite a manly, masculine fragrance. You're going to like this.
Is it for guys?
Oh, I think it's definitely unisex. Oh, it's really nice.
Yeah, I'd wear
Almost
that.
smells like it's got like, there's a bit of citrus in there, but it's also a bit like rum and
I always say that kind of that Sauvage is a very kind of like when I'm wearing a suit. I feel like that's a bit more of a day-to-day wearing.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And there's the bottles of the Maison Christian Dior parfums are so stunning how they just come in these little things.
Oh, cool.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. How amazing. Oh, this is for Dior Backstage when we go tomorrow.
Okay.
To look around. I can't believe it. I'm just finishing getting ready. So very sophisticated like this, I'll slip back. Tonight I want to get a picture for the new Dior 30 Montane bag. It's brand new, it just came out. This was an incredible gift from the Dior team. And I want to get a picture because they're doing like a cool campaign again, launching their brand new bag. You might remember they did this a while ago. And I'm so proud to be part of it again. So I'm going to go out and take this picture, and they've lent me this amazing Dior suit. This is a classic, famous bar jacket. I mean, the fabric is just incredible. The matching trousers to go with it. I've just put my slingbacks on with it. And then in fact, this top underneath is also really pretty. It's just like this cut out, looks like a laser cut out detail top. And underneath I'm wearing the beige Dior bra as well. So I'm just wearing that sort of tucked in, and then the bar jacket on top. I'm wearing all Dior jewellery. Dior very kindly have lent me a lot of beautiful clothes and jewellery and accessories for this trip, which is incredible, which I'll be able to show you as I go along. Oh, and also, I've not shown you these yet. How cool are these rings?
Yeah, they're cool, aren't they?
Cool.
And knuckle dusters.
Yeah, really, really nice. And then the matching earrings that also say CD on them as well. Little droplet pearls. So I'm all Diored out tonight for this meal, going out for a little special meal. Do you know what? I really hope I'm not going to be too hot. I think I'll be okay. I wonder if everyone's already there. I think we're bang on time today.
Oh,
we're getting good at this.
Change.
Does my bun look okay? I feel like it's falling out a bit.
Your bum?
My bum? My bum?
Stuff like that.
Yeah.
We can come and sleep in the gym. Okay.
It's amazing.
Whoa. Thank you.
You're welcome. Where are they?
This is amazing.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Are we ready for breakfast?
Born ready.
So we thought we'd go and have some breakfast out, didn't we? Have you got anything?
Yep.
Oh, we got some sunnies.
Yep.
I'll take the room key this time, because yesterday we didn't take one. That was interesting. Last night, it took us all like 10 minutes to find our rooms in the dark.
Then we crossed Tanya about 5
Poor
times.
Tanya. We went back, got a brand new key, came all the way back here again, and they still haven't found their room. Oh gosh. We do definitely need some signposts, that's for sure. I'm gonna start crying. Oh, you do make me laugh, babe. I was either funny one then, I don't know.
I think you made yourself laugh.
I think I did. Don't you look so lovely in your shirt?
It's very different for me, I think.
Yeah, it's very 1950s.
I'll have to show everyone later, because I can't flip the camera on myself.
Heading out now to the Dior Discovery Day. Yeah, so for complete transparency as always, this section of the vlog is sponsored very kindly by Dior Makeup. Where are you going?
You so transparent, you invisible.
Just so I can bring you a lot more information about the new Dior Backstage collection, which is launching now. So we're getting to go to a backstage area today to see what Peter Phillips has been creating. He's going to give us a bit of a demonstration, I think. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what is brand new, because so many of the Dior Backstage pieces are in my usual everyday arsenal of makeup, like glow palettes, the Dior Face and Body Foundation. Are we stopping? The eyeshadow palettes, Pump and Volume mascara. There are just so many. I mean, the lip glow. so many incredible products in there, so I'm looking forward to seeing what's new.
So Peter Phillips going to be here then?
Yeah, he's going to be here at the backstage, the demonstration now today.
He's a really nice guy, isn't he?
Oh, he's so nice. Yeah. He's super lovely. Can I show you over my outfit?
You sure can.
So this is my outfit today, and this is part of the brand new collection in stores at Dior. The heels are cool, aren't they? Have you seen these? That Specs heel. It's all part of this very kind of ballet-inspired collection that Maria Graz has created. And then this is just a very beautiful like tie-dye, almost looks like roses that have been like a bit tie-dye vibes with big beautiful roses, grey ribbon straps, and I've got the beige nude underwear on underneath, just in case, because this keeps coming back. So at least my boobs won't be completely out. And then how beautiful is this bag? Yeah, it's beautiful pink leather book tote that they brought out, and it's in a slightly smaller size than the other book totes, which is kind of nice. Makes it a little bit more wearable for every day rather than taking.
It's definitely more of a beach bag. I feel the other one.
Yeah, it's huge. I mean, I love it because I use it a lot for meetings, taking stuff in. But this still fits a laptop, but it carries a little bit less. You know what I mean? This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this garden of roses. Stunning. Oh, the cemetery. Wow. This is beautiful. So good. Wow. We're just in the Dior Backstage area. So these are all like the well-known and well-loved Dior pieces, but there are a few that are like brand new, including primer. So it's a face and body primer. Look, I'm not even tried this myself. Oh, it's nice. Got a very, very light scent. It feels really lovely actually. It's really soft, not too silicone-y. Oh, it is really, really nice. That would make a really lovely base actually. I'm looking forward to trying that. I'll try that later. This I'm super excited about. Brand new glow palette. The first glow palette that came out that I loved. I often use these two, and this one is like a blush. So this one feels like a lot more like highlighty. So should we maybe swatch some? More golden champagne-y. Oh no, I'd say that was more golden with a greeny undertone. This one's more champagne-y pink undertone. This one's a peachy. Oh wow. And this one is like a true bronze. Can you see that? Ooh. That's pretty nice, isn't it? I really like this peachy. That's really lovely. Isn't that gorgeous? Also, I think this is brand new. So it's a lip maximizer, but this time with like a beigey, pinky shade in it. So it's like everyone's like favourite lip maximizer product, but just with a bit more pinky, peach undertone to it. And the last brand new product, this is the Amber Neutrals palette. So it's a brand new eye palette, and the shades are so wearable like day and night. So I mean, look at this one here. I just feel it's like really good for every day, but then you could just like smoke it up at night with these more like burgundy, deeper tones. And this shade here is me to a T. I mean, look how beautiful that is. So that's all the brand new things. So I'll be probably trying them all on later, so you'll be able to see them properly like tried on. Is my face not huge in this shot?
What do you think of this location then?
Isn't it amazing? In our future home, I'd like a garden like this, so I have places to shoot every day. It's time for lunch. I also love the picture we just took for you as well on the bike. If you all go over to Harrison and see that picture, I took it and I love it.
Is it lunch now?
Lunchtime right now.
And what are we doing out here?
Taking photos!
Game of Thrones.
Look at this.